Alright, featuring a 1591 in this video today. This is Singer 1591. Of course, the 91 specifies the potted motor on the back. This machine has no belt. It is directly driven by the motor, which means less slippage and a little easier to deal with. This is a beater machine. It's not a nice cosmetic condition. The clear coat is starting to yellow and flake, just starting to craze. It's not super bad, but it is starting to craze. Clear coat's yellowed a little bit and flaking here. The decals are decent. There was tape across here. It seems like every time you find one of these old Singers, the original owner has put a piece of masking tape on it, and it's yellowed and it's brittle, and then it pulls off the decals in the finish. So that's what happened to this one as well. Of course, this is the classic straight stitch only machine. It is a true reverse feed, which means if you want to sew backwards, you can. It's not just for tacking. Bobbin winder here on the wheel, of course. And like I said, this is a beater worker machine. Built-in light. Class 15 bobbins, of course. Bobbin case included. Straight stitch only, low shank. 1591 needles. 1591. 15 by 1 needles up to a size 21. Now that's a little bit more than other machines will take. Normally a machine will only accept up to a size 18. This machine will actually accept up to a size 21. One of the very few that does. This particular machine, and some of the 1591s are like this, some are not. This one is one that is. If you would put it in a cabinet, it would be fine, but if you want to use it on a tabletop like this, you have to put something under the leg just to lift it up ever so slightly so a part of the mechanism doesn't hit the table underneath. And I don't know what it is. I don't know if they changed the part after so long and then you don't have to do that anymore, but some of these you have to lift it. Some of them you don't. But like I said, if you put it in a case or a cabinet, that's not an issue, only if it's on the tabletop. So you can see I got a little needle. It's a needle case. Just put under it. You can put like a matchbook under it or a little piece of cardboard. That keeps that mechanism, that piece of metal, from hitting the tabletop. It comes with some bobbins, a new pack of size 18 needles, a new lint brush, and a button gauge. Don't really have any accessories to include with it. I found this machine in a cabinet. I didn't have anything with it, and I don't have anything at this time. But it is just a standard low shank machine, of course. You know, if you find some low shank attachments, they will work. It's a pretty universal machine. You don't need anything special. It doesn't take any. It's not like the super high shank on the Kenmores. It's just standard low shank. But it's serviced and ready to go. It's been lubed, gone through. And like I said, it is true reverse feed. You might have to adjust your tension a little bit if you're going to sew backwards. But it is a little different when it goes backwards. It seems like it pulls up through a little more. As you can see, it's going. Just a basic cotton sample. Nice. This is Levi's 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not saying this machine's industrial because it's not. A lot of sellers claim that these are industrial strengths. They're not. An industrial strength machine has like a 0.5 horsepower motor. This one's just 0.8 amp. Got a little oil on the needle bar there. So I'm not going to claim that. I'm not going to tell you that because it's not true. There's your 5 layers within them, both forward and backwards. This is a nice machine for light upholstery work. You know, it's just, everybody wants it because it's motor operated instead of belt driven, so pretty cool. And that is your straight stitch Singer model 1591.